quick video. So I've been asked to find a car for my niece. She's 18 years old and just passed a test. We needed to find something for her. She wanted various different cars, but unfortunately she had a limited choice due to being so young, just passing a test, and insurance being so bloody high. So I found this for her, and it is a Toyota Aygo vvti Fire. It's got aircon, alloy wheels. It's 998cc. It's a petrol. We can't see the mileage because the battery's off, but it has done 71,000 miles. And it's an insurance group 3. So this is the car. This is the one. This is what she's going to be cruising about in. So it has had some accident damage, very minor. It had a cracked light. It's got some scuffs on the bumper, probably nothing to do with the accident, probably just someone just maybe is marking it up, trying to park it, bad driver. Yeah, so there's the light, that's cracked. Back window was put through, and that's all the damage on it really. It's a bit manky inside. It's going to need a good scrub out, so I've removed the seats. I'm going to get them stains off with my shampoo machine. Give it a good scrub inside and a good hoover out. Get it all cleaned up, the dash all cleaned up and everything. I'm going to put a full MOT on it. Do the brakes. Give it a good look over. Yeah, so this is what I've got her. This is what she's got for her first car. Oh, I forgot to mention, she's a 5-door. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get cracked on with this and get this bumper painted. I'm going to tart the bumper up. Hopefully I'll have the tailgate for it, or tailgate glass for it, because that's about all it is. Hopefully that'll come soon, and the light, and we'll get it all banged together, do the brakes, get it serviced and take it for a test. Well, that's the job primed and painted, so I'm just waiting for the parts to come in now. While I'm waiting, I will probably get on and do some valeting on the car, get it all cleaned up, ready to hand over to my niece. So yeah, hopefully them parts won't take too long to come. I've also got the MOT to do, and I'm going to take a look at the brakes. Anyway, that's me done for this evening. I'm going to go in and get my tea, and I might even have a beer. Well, it's the next day, and as you can see, those parts arrived. So I've got that tailgate glass fitted, I've got the rear light fitted, the car's all cleaned, valeted, and all we've got to do now is take the car for an MOT. So a couple of days have passed and we managed to get this car in for an MOT, and it has passed. Also, would you believe, it is zero vehicle tax, so the car's now being taxed. Obviously it is on the road. And my sister-in-law's just come now. She's picked it up for my niece, ready for her to be on the road tomorrow. So in a nutshell, I would say the Toyota Aygo is the ideal first car. Zero road tax, cheap to insure. With it only being a 1 litre, I would say it's going to be pretty cheap on fuel. Well, that's my quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.